we begin, we're going to check the remote control. So I'm going to turn the remote control on by pressing and holding down the power button. And I'm going to come in so that way you can see a little bit more. Next, we are going to place the antenna out like this, but not directly at the drone. And then finally, we're going to check to make sure that we are also in mode 2. So right here, mode 2. So that concludes the RC remote control portion, and we'll now go into setting up the drone. Removing and starting to set up the arms. Lock the arms in place. Next, we will look at and examine the propellers to make sure that they are smooth, and also pull them out. Next, I will check the battery to make sure that it's at full power, and it is. And then I will place the battery in and make sure that it is locked and tight. And then power on. The drone. Then lastly, the LED lights. Make sure that they're functioning. And we are going to clear the air out of the system. So we're going to clear the trapped air, and I have that done in settings. So we're going to press start.